Hello everyone, this is Fai and I'm back with another K-pop makeup tutorial today. So this makeup look is inspired by Karina's makeup for aespa Beta Thanks promotion. If you like this kind of makeup look, watch this video until the end. Let's start. As always, I'm gonna start with the base makeup first. And for this makeup look, I'm going to apply a fluffy finish foundation since I think this makeup has the summer look vibe and fluffy foundation will prevent the face to look oily because of the heat. I know it's too late for this makeup look, but Karina's eyebrows in this makeup look caught my attention and I felt like I wanted to try it. For the contour, I have to apply some more around the side of my face because I have prominent cheekbones, and by doing this, I can make my face look slimmer as well. Applying the contour powder around the jawline will also enhance the fill line. Now moving on to their makeup. The theme of their makeup is basically a shiny glittery purplish color, and the very smooth eyeshadow from Dazzle is the perfect eyeshadow palette to create it. Make sure to blend the color evenly. Now draw the eyeliner a little bit longer at the end to make the eyes look bigger. It's not the exact same, but I tried hard to recreate it from the pictures I saw on the internet. Now let's finish off their makeup by applying false lashes and mascara. Alright, it's time to do the eyebrows. I didn't have the same accessories, but I think these ones look similar enough, right? Now let's do the cheeks. For this makeup look, the blush is quite visible, so the wave is going to make you look like a drunken bunny. For the last step, let's create a glossy plumpy lips. Oops, don't forget to make the fake moves as well. Alright, the makeup is done. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you like it, don't forget to share it with your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!